What you got?
Oops.
Oh,
And 9 periods.
number 9. What color is that, number 9?
Oh.
What color?
Say.
It's okay. What color is it?
For you.
For me? Oh, thank you. What else do you have?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Isaiah, what one's this? What's this one?
Thank you, Mama.
Oh.
And numbers.
They're all for me? Oh, wow.
And numbers.
Yeah. What's this one?
U.
What's that one?
Q.
Q. Yep. And what's this one?
P.
Yeah. And what's this one?
4.
And what about this one?
3.
Yeah. And what about this one? Oh, what's this one?
3.
Oh, is that a C you got there? And what's this one?
Oh, see. Welcome, Mama.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome.
What's this one?
Uh-oh. Number 2 is locked.
Oh, number 2 stuck. Oh, you got it? Okay.
Peace out.
The P was stuck? Oh. What color is this?
F.
Yeah, but what color? What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is the A? What color is that?
Red.
Red. What color is the P?
Wow, both of them.
Yeah. What color is the P?
Green.
And what color is the 9? What color?
Blue.
Yeah. And what color is the 2?
Purple.
Good job. High five. Yeah, good work.